In today's video guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook Messenger call problem. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find every single app you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do is scroll until you find the Facebook Messenger and then click on it like this, and then click on force stop and go to the permissions and make sure to enable every single permission right here. Go back and click on notifications management, enable all those options right here and go back. And after you enable everything, now the problem must be solved, but we have to do some optional things. For example, go to the storage, click on clear data and clear cache and restart your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.